If you dey look me korokoro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. As we dey always dey talk, every week they don turn to Christmas because from 10 to 11, we dey carry all the topic when they comot smoke inside the Nigerian politic arrangement to talk am the way the team be us for body so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action so that we go move our country forward. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. I go still talk am again. As usual, I know dey low alone inside studio. But my brother Unkubi, he don't go on a national assignment. But I get one ogbonge visitor when we say he go join me on top of the studio today to discuss very serious matter. Who be this August visitor in the month of August? He na barrister Deji Ige. As I say barrister, I know say plenty people mind go come down. By barrister, I mean say in a person when we say he don't read all the book when lawyer they read, he don't qualify. He sabi all the law when they inside our country, Nigeria, and the one when they outside Nigeria. If he even cough, he go quote the law to show say what he do, no be wrong thing. Barrister Deji Ige, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Yeah. Well, before I greet Nigerians, no be only law na I sabi history. Make una good morning, my people.
I always talk and say history na the mama of all the disciplines when they inside this world. Because before we begin to talk anything, we go give the information the way the thing be. Welcome once again, Barrister Ike.
It's nice being here.
Normally, on top of the show, we always shake hand with our visitor. So that you no go be like say we dey quarrel. Thank God say I get long hand because
is your hand long?
My hand long.
Okay.
Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning,
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
So quickly, I go give the breakdown of this our story before we start to the reason the matter. Yesterday, for the time when we tear the nylon come out on top of all the action story wey happen for Nigeria over the weekend, we discuss one major story wey we say plenty people chook mouth on top. It get to do with the statement when we say the National Publicity Secretary, that is the talk person of the All Progressives Congress, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, the issue when we say him bring out. Alhaji Lai Mohammed come and talk say, the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the time when he dey for office, say 56 billion naira. I go talk am again. I make mistake. $56 billion. When we say if you pinch your calculator, come check am, na 11.02 trillion naira. That is money when we say is senior million, is senior billion, it can't enter trillion. Alhaji Lai Mohammed even break down all the money the way when the thing they miss. Plenty people when they hear all these things, they shout Jesus. Fear catch them, and they can call on President Muhammadu Buhari say make him pursue all the people who don't chop Nigeria money and get this money back before they spend and finish, and send these people go prison, make them go pay for all the money when they don't chop. But some other people come talk say, make we check this message well. Say Alhaji Lai Mohammed, no be him be the oga of EFCC. Alhaji Lai Mohammed, not being sit down on top of the chair of ICPC. He not be police. He not be court. He not be judge. Why he be saying now he going to bring out this kind of information? Remember saying be the publicity secretary of the APC. They talk say in the talk based on say in the APC and he want use and spoil the name of PDP. Some other people come and come and say why he be say that they paint the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan and the PDP make it be like say now only them bad. Shey na APC na him come hold the pass. Now some of this matter we go discuss today. Thank God say we get barrister inside studio. He go use in lawyer eye look the matter and we go see where we come from. Once again, barrister, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, my representative.
First question when I go ask you, when you see this message, see the kind of money when we say Alhaji Lai Mohammed, talk person of APC, when we say we won't believe say he get some information when he know. When you see this kind of message, when he drop am out, what will be your first reaction?
Well, before I knock to read for that one, I hear you shout Jesus. You heard your...
I hold my chair. I did describe what some people do.
Jesus. Is it Jesus of Nazareth or Jesus of Onibo?
No, Jesus of Nazareth. Read Jesus.
Thank you. God don't... The people who input for this country, he don't give them strong heart. If now for other places, where they no get strong heart, many for don't die for this kind of information. You know, say, before, nobody did talk anything concerning this one. True. So everybody just, they do waiting in like. I go one to read from the book of Joel. That Joel 1.
That you dey quote Bible.
But they not come for corruption. He said, that which the palmer worm don't eat, na the canker worm go eat. That one which the canker worm cannot eat, na the caterpillar go eat. You know, say, that which the palmer worm has not eaten, the locust, na go grab am. That one with the locust no gree eat, na the canker worm, na go knack am. That one which the canker worm can no eat, na caterpillar.
So they must chop something.
They must chop something. That's not the story of corruption for this country. You know, all the time when military go carry power, then go say corruption. Uzegu say 10%. Now 100% now they collect. Uzegu and his group, they carry power because they said people are corrupt. Then they charge 10% on contract. So that that time. Later, it became 50%.
It don't increase.
Later, the entire 100%.
Now over 100%.
We now have abandoned project. Carry contract, give you. Carry money, give them to people and do the contract. All over the country, now abandoned project here and there. So people have been, the first republic, the one they could not eat. The second republic, nakam. The one, the second republic no eat it. The third republic, chop am. The one where remain,
the fourth republic. So which one go come remain now?
No, you know, say now the thing where they unite us together be that.
When it comes to chopping money,
you know the thing where they unite us together, now it be that. When there is no money to chop, to your tent, who is Israel. So the people when now come they power say, you go get a country where you go rule now. You go be president. You go be president over a country. The money, the kind of money where they don't thief, if you don't carry and come back, there will be no country to rule over. The money, they don't get money to run government. And there's only, apart from chop money by the leaders, there's only one thing again that will unite all of us, from Lagos to Calabar, Toka, Sokoto to Maiduguri. But that unity, that is what Buhari and the like of Lai Mohammed, that's the kind unity we don't want, the no one. Hunger. If everybody they hungry, that
of course go they united. But we don't want they united in hunger.
And hunger, don't know whether you be Omo Igbo.
Yes, now.
You don't know whether you be Omo Benda. Whether you be Omo Jebu, or whether you be Omo Sokoto. When you dey hunger.
So, Barrister, this thing when you talk now, you don't make it very, very clear now. Say, whether we like them or not, the political class, I know one call party now, the political class, one thing when it be like, say, then sabi, or one thing when it be like, say, from waiting we fit check from history, they don't do that to chop money. All of us agree, say they don't chop money. Now, make we can address this particular issue of $56 billion when they miss now. Now, this $56 billion, according to some people that they talk, say, why he be say, na Alhaji Lai Mohammed, na him go come out, come they give the breakdown of all these figures. Say, our law don't give EFCC power, ICPC power, police power, and court power. You self na lawyer, you know all these things. Say, make them allow those people, as Oga President don't promise, say, he won't pursue corruption come up for this country. And he don't they show am from him body language and in action. They say make them allow the people when they say na their work to do am, make them do am. Say as Alhaji Lai Mohammed they come out, they talk say, hey, these people chop money, these people chop money. The people wey chop this money, even if they chop am, they go don begin dey hide this money. Say make EFCC, ICPC, police and court do their action. You support say make Alhaji Lai Mohammed as the publicity secretary of APC, make him calm down, make him no talk, make the people wey suppose do their work.
Na grammar na you dey talk.
Pidgin grammar.
Na grammar. Now you dey talk. Now one book where I read for when I did university, they call him Machiavelli.
The prince.
The prince of power and politics. Now he talks, say, extreme situation
calls for
extreme measure.
Confirm. That is, things don't red.
As extreme sickness, bad sickness, also require bad medicine. You understand me? When you defy corruption, I say you know the obodo yibo, where everybody go dey reasonable. I say no, you cannot do this. But within Nigeria,
where some people go talk say religion.
that's all. Now so you hear me. You name them. These people chop money. You shame them. When you shame them, then you carry them go court. When those people, when they give
National
big title, the money. Now only MON get to no money. That's Zebruda. You see, people where they supposed to dey prison, OFR. People where they supposed to more or less everybody for society.
No, but you touch them again with long stick.
Yes, you see them now, then
they sit down for high table.
They sit down for high table. They build the big house, marry many wives, and many chieftaincy titles, with so many titles from the state to the cover. But when you now name somebody and you shame him, so everybody will know, say,
this one,
this one, maybe the son of the man
they do big boy.
They do big boy in primary school, or secondary school, or university. He say,
your papa chop our money.
So is your papa not a thief? I think yes, sir. No, children, they also read. They read very well. They read. There was the case of a popular actor who said that the teacher to the son give him one newspaper, say, why your mother go fight, they fight for streets. You understand? The daughter brought the thing home, say, he didn't tell us that you go fight for street now. You don't disgrace her. Everybody in the class knows, say, my mother go fight for
street fighter.
That's street fighter. So when you name corrupt people, when you shame corrupt people, the entire society is being free of those people. But when they do things secretly,
they hide them.
They
give them VIP treatment.
We carry them go court. With their money, they will employ the best hand you can see in the legal profession.
Barrister, you don't talk one important one now.
So as a professional, the case when they carry come meet you, now you go address. When somebody carry money where you never see before, carry and come knock for your table. You don't deal. Well, I don't deal. So, and you do your best to do what? To protect the person where you represent. But when you name a corrupt person, when you shame him, the judiciary cannot help him.
True.
I think you understand me. Well, it's another thing for the judiciary to exonerate them, but it's already within the public domain that this one.
Native.
Now because now technical, now you make come out for prison. This one native. But the thing where I like him, we say, there are two things. The president don't say, this not the money. They don't show me, say, the money they for this account. Let them carry the money call Nigeria.
True.
Thank God. So maybe they spend them. So make hunger no wire anybody. So they don't name them, say, Ogbonge this, Nain do this. They don't name them, say, this person alone carry billions of naira. So now they don't carry all the nyama, carry them, go court. So, well, I no go talk, say, the court has its own process. Be say, the language of the court is different from the language of the executive. So, and our law say, not until you prove your case, say this man
They guilty.
they guilty.
The person are still suspect.
No, the person he don't carry innocent. He don't. That is the position of our law.
But Barrister, quickly, may I come from this angle now? From the way where you don't answer this question now, you don't state and clearly say who chop money. Whether the person dey one party or the person no dey any party. You don't talk and say corruption. Now, if one person don't thief, he don't thief.
Yes.
Make we come enter the case of say if you don't reach to carry people go court. You na barrister. You know all this una strong language when they use. Some people go talk say you don't talk here say you go get the best lawyers. Some people go talk say one court no get the locus. I read down for paper say you no get the locus standing on top of one matter. Some people go collect interlocutory injunction. E go come be like say the case dey drag. You think say as we don't get government wey no promise say they won't fight corruption. Based on say you dey inside there because you be barrister. Now you only you fit answer this question. I go call am una people, you and your people, una go fit help us see this thing till the end. Because I know say I know they use you as example, but barrister, if one man come now look say barrister Deji Gay, they talk say I chop money. No be say I no chop am, but somehow e be like say I no chop am. Go defend me for court. He can't carry one money when we say if you even put am for pocket sef, your pocket go dey comot smoke. You go collect am to defend am.
If they carry money give you and your pocket dey comot smoke, no be that one.
No good smoke. Good smoke.
Wait now, let me. Shebi you na you dey knack tori. Then if you carry, your pocket dey comot smoke, that one na small money. There are some money where them go give you, no go fit sleep for 3 days.
Fear go dey catch you. Where you
no go fit sleep.
Me this morning.
But make una talk the thing wey be there be say. Now the people wey dey inside the legal profession, na dey sabi am. Good. The presido want to fight corruption. Everybody is now running.
So people don't sit up.
People don't
for the first time for Nigeria, people just wake up, decide to resign.
People don't sit up, gagraga. That the wahala don't shell. Yes. That na be the reason where I tell you say there are two aspects. The president go fit do effectively. Carry money, the money where they don't steal, make them return to treasury. There is not going to be any problem on that. True. But when you now want to go to the prosecute people, that is where the problem is. The kind of problem where you say you don't identify. Man pass man. You understand that one? I
understand you.
There are some lawyers who say you come out your cap. That one now.
Integrity.
Integrity and something they in play.
Not true.
Do you understand? This one, if you meet her, you meet fire. Do you understand? The people will go prosecute these people. That is one of the challenges.
Okay.
It is what the prosecution brings before the court.
Okay.
The court cannot go outside. Very many cases, if you don't decide down for your table in the office. So, if by your drafting of the charges, you can defeat yourself, defeat the purpose, and defeat everything that the society stands for. So, if you bring somebody who is porous intellectually, porous in mind and in character, we may not go far.
So, Barrister, this one where you talk, we say before we go court, if we don't prepare well.
No, that I said, no be every.
No, Barrister, you go emphasize on this point, but quickly. we go rush enter inside market. When we go this market come back, we'll continue on the issue of this 56 billion US dollars when Alhaji Lai Mohammed carry put on top of the head of the government of Oga Jonah, say somehow now then dip their hand inside the account of our country and that money come miss. Now still as it dey hot, we dey come back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.